Somebody asked me about agriculture networks or Kobondo Agriculture Networks. Yes, it is a consultancy that deals with livestock rearing or rather livestock production. We train farmers on different aspects of livestock production, and example of these livestock that we cover include pigs, poultry, sheep and goat, black soldier fly, dairy cattle, beef cattle. We train farmers on all this. And to be specific, we train farmers on how best they can feed their livestock, how best they can breed their livestock, how best they can manage the health of their livestock. Another thing that we do in agriculture networks is linking up farmers to professional farm managers and professional farm hands. If you are a farmer and you need somebody to work in your farm as a farm hand or rather as a farm manager, people who are well trained, we can be able to link you up to these guys. We have a number of them, so just reach out to us. Another thing that we also do partly is writing CVs to agriculture graduates who are getting into the job market. We also help them to write CVs. We also train them, and also just to inform them on what is expected of them when they get out of school and come into the job market. So those are some of the things that we do as agriculture networks. You can always reach out to us. We'll be friendly to you. Our numbers are always there. When you look at my timeline, you will see a poster that is having our numbers, or rather our numbers and our email addresses, so that we can be able to help you. Thank you so much.